Today we're shooting a vlog on the Sony ZV-E10 II. It's gonna look a little bit cinematic. I'm with the kit lens right now, S-Log 3, everything else is set to manual. I'm going to Kelowna, BC for my birthday, so I recently got this camera and wanted to check out what it is capable of. It is so small and compact that I'm gonna love having it on this trip. Anyways, welcome back to another video. One last thing is we are using the microphone, built-in microphone for this entire vlog, and I heard that it's updated, so how does it sound? Before I forget, this is a rolling shutter test. Whip pans. Doesn't look too bad. Honestly, my A7 IV is not the best anyway, so if this is anywhere near that, I think I'll be able to deal with it. Little sneak peek of what I've been working on. This is a wedding gallery of one of my buddies that I met in China. And yeah, it was a big time party. One thing I didn't mention is my buddy owns a construction company, so when we land in Kelowna, we're gonna rip the drone a little bit. We're gonna get my Sony A7 IV out and do some nice pictures for his website. Always on our grind, baby. I also don't know if I'm gonna remember to mention this, but there's no in-body image stabilization on this, so what you're seeing from all the footage so far is like a software-based active stabilization, digital stabilization, and it's working pretty good. And lastly, the mic, the new mic on this thing is omnidirectional, right? But I didn't want to have to change it all day to front, back, side to side, whatever. So right now it's just on automatic, so it should be picking me up from the front microphone. Future Maddie here. I just want to say a big thank you for 5K subs. This is mostly because of you, and I can't believe that I'm doing YouTube as a part-time job right now. It's honestly a dream come true, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Let's get back to the video. Birthday weekend, hey, let's go.
Let's go.
Woohoo.
Giddy up, baby.
Giddy up. Here we are live on location. Drones in action. Oh, we got a zoom going. And these are the places that we're shooting. There's 4 different houses, and we're doing like the pre-shots before they're actually finished and built. After looking at the footage from this vlog, I was super disappointed because when I took this camera out of the box, the soft skin effect was enabled. I disabled it, but it somehow came back on. Nonetheless, it really screwed up a lot of the footage. It made it noisy and muddy. The white balance was off, and it made my face look like some kind of AI generated porcelain doll, which was super creepy. I'll leave the raw videos of this effect turned on and off in 2 separate clips in the description if you want to check that out. But thankfully, I was able to save this footage with today's channel sponsor, Motion Array. As I mentioned, the footage, because of that soft skin effect, was really lacking any kind of texture. So what I did was I went to Motion Array's hub, and I found something called Cine Style. What this does is it enables a border, any kind of cinematic border that you want. It then immediately added a nice little subtle grade to my footage, which is really nice because it wasn't overpowering. And lastly, I was able to add and control the grain amount to re-add the texture from that soft, muddy look that I got out of the ZV-E10 II with the soft skin effect on. It was literally so bad that I was embarrassed to post this vlog, and I didn't want to share it with you guys, but with Motion Array's help, I was able to salvage it, and it's not perfect, but it absolutely made it so much more enjoyable, I'm sure, for you guys to watch. If you want to try out these plugins on the Motion Array hub, you can get $50 off right now if you use the code in my description. Thank you so much in advance for supporting me and the channel, and let's dive back into the video. In the hole.
Edward Scissorhands.
Edward Wrenchhands. Place is coming along nicely.
It is, yes, thanks for calling. Did you grow up with this guy? Or did
I sure did, yeah.
You never grew up. You still videotaping. I want some of this later, but
you can have all the footage.
Show my grandkids.
Walk-in shower. This one had body jets. Rain had.
We had to change this over here.
Big bidet. Big bidet, guys. Tomorrow, just give me a text, or if whenever you don't see them, give me a text and I'll send them right away.
I'll text you on Tuesday.
What's going on, girlies? Hootie hoo! What's up?
Hi, buddy.
How are ya?
I was gonna hug you.
Hi, Chels. Good to see you.
Oh, yay. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
This will be a ton of fun. I'm glad you're here. Ed, thanks for having me out today, buddy. I had so much fun shooting for you.
Thanks for coming. A lot of the neighbors don't have homes anymore, so now trying to put them back home and rebuild their places.
Okay, it's my birthday weekend, and both these people are hosting me. Thank
Who
you so
wants
much.
a raspberry?
What the hell? Thanks, Jack, for
Oh my god.
Okay, and you might have noticed that this got a whole lot wider all of a sudden. We stopped at Best Buy, got an 11 mil 1.8 made by Sony, and that's how I'll probably end this vlog. I have no idea how this content turned out because I was kind of busy at the other places, but you know what? Had fun droning, and we'll see what this footage looks like. Talk to y'all later. Natty out. Peace.
If you want to know how the ZV-E10 II is for photography, check out my next video because I did